Alright, first you're going to disconnect the little LCD connection there. It just pops right off. And then also, while taking this apart, that little tab is going to slide out of that port, which you'll need to reconnect later. Now you'll need to disconnect the antenna and the battery from the motherboard. These just pop off vertically, straight out. Now there's some adhesive holding the antenna to the battery. Just, slowly pry it off. Now you need to take the new battery, reconnect or connect it to the motherboard. Just pop those, pushing straight down. Pop those in. Then reconnect the existing antenna that you removed before. Connect it the same way. You just push down, get it to snap in. Then when you put the casing back on, you're going to need to first sort of pry open this little port that's going to accept that tab. That tab is just going to slide into it when you put the phone together. So it helps to push that up a little bit, make sure it goes in there. Then you're going to connect the LCD connection, just snap that in. And then you're going to need to sort of bend down, or push the motherboard down a little bit to get that tab under the port it needs to slide into, and then just push it in and slide it up into position, and it should slide into that port as long as you've got it lined up correctly. And from here on out, just assemble it as you normally would. Put all the screws back in.